Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a weekend love bite for you. This will be for the weekend of the 28th to the 30th, but time is fluid, right? This is going to be the trend of your love life. Oh, I have the Wheel of Fortune here with the Three of Swords. Moving away from heartbreak, Capricorn. Let me keep them here. So these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, welcome back, all my subscribers, and if you're new here, do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings. We welcome you to subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So Capricorn, this is going to be a mini read. Your longer readings, the September ones, are going to be uploaded soon, so you can look forward to those. So this is going to be just a 3 card spread to see how they're feeling now, how you're feeling, and what can we expect now. Empress is in reverse, so something is happening here. But before I start the reading, Capricorn, I'm going to top it with an angel blessing card for you. So my angels, what is the blessing or advice for Capricorn now? Please give us a lovely card for Capricorn. Reward. Okay. So don't worry, Capricorn. Whatever you're going through, things are going to get better. And Spirit is saying it's time to even reward yourself now. Give yourself a treat or two. If you're feeling low, down, whatever, if you're feeling happy, you have to look after yourself. That's of utmost importance. Like we give a child, a prize when they come first in class or whatever. So start doing little things for yourself if possible. Treat yourself well. Reward yourself. That's what this card really means. So let's see. First card, 10 of Cups. Beautiful. Moon. And the Page of Wands. Okay, that's nice. Emperor. 8 of Swords. And the World. Let me clarify these cards first. This was a happy union, it seems. Everything was fine. You guys were happy. This seemed like a brand new beginning and happiness, joy, wish fulfillment. Till Capricorn, some secrets came out. Some secrets came out, and that kind of, you lost your power with that. And now you have deep regrets over something after some quick, fast news came to you, I think, which was not of the best kind. And now I see you grieving a bit. You're wanting to grow and you're wanting to work on this connection still, it seems. And you're really not sure. You're not sure whether this, person is correct or not. You are wanting now to release the devil. Maybe move on to a creative new path for yourself here, Capricorn. What's this Page of Wands, Spirit? Okay, so now you want to have some communication. I think this is the feminine energy. You want to have some clear-cut communication regarding a forward movement in this connection. Yeah, maybe you're thinking of returning to this person because at one point maybe you were very happy, and then once this secrets or something came out, it stopped growth in your relationship. And after grieving and feeling sad and whatever, and not accepting this person back in your life, I think you're coming to terms with it and trying to release all this toxicity. Yes, you've been a bit stressed out for some time now. And even though your heart was broken here, I think you're willing to take some kind of forward movement back again in your... Till now, I think you've been holding back. You've been holding back because of all these secrets and illusions, and maybe you were very emotional also about whatever news came. It kind of put a damper on things. Yeah, this chapter almost came to a close. You have this card, and so does person B have this card, right? So things were almost coming to a close. Now I want to see whether you can have a new beginning here or not. I do see a little positive movement from person A side. Let me see person 2 and see how they are doing. Now, for person B here, to whatever, I have the Emperor in reverse. Now, this person is feeling pretty powerless at the moment. They feel they've lost control of the situation. Yeah, they're feeling very embarrassed at whatever's happened. They are keeping a watch on you. They are keeping a lookout to see how you're going to respond, what you're going to do. If in case they had any other options, I think they've let those go now. But they are at their weakest right now, feeling publicly humiliated. Yeah, they want to take back charge. They want to be, back in control, bring back balance to this relationship. But right now, I see this person very, very stressed out, in a self-imposed prison of their own mind and their own making. They want balance to be brought back to this equation now. They want equal give and take. They want to make a choice. Yeah, they're sick and tired of being in this stuck position where they're neither here nor there anymore. And whatever they've done, they realize what they've done, and they are feeling quite embarrassed and ashamed. And they feel terrible at having lost this very nice, happy, place they were in. Now look at the mirroring that's happening. They have the Ten of Cups, and person A had the Ten of Cups as well, right? So this was a happy union. And now person A has the World card, person B has the World card. So this is quite a strong connection here, Capricorn. But I don't know what's happened here, but something came out which kind of stopped growth of this relationship. There was a lot of heartbreak in this situation. So let's see what's this World card. Person B definitely wants to have a restart, re-beginning, start a brand new chapter. I think this is the masculine energy who's wishing for that now after they've done something. Yeah, whatever happened in the past, maybe it was really wrong on their part, and they're quite wrapped up thinking of all the terrible things which have just come to pass. But now they are trying to kind of communicate with person A, or waiting for communication from person A to put all that to rest, so you guys can start again. So before I open your mutual energies, Capricorn, I just wanted to make one thing clear. Somebody asked me about this masculine and feminine energies. So when I say masculine and feminine, I don't mean the man is feeling this and the woman is feeling this. Now these could be two men in love or two women in love, or this reading could be resonating, let's say, with a mother and daughter. Even everybody has feminine and masculine within them, right? So sometimes you embody more of your masculine side, like I could be more of a go-getter, more in charge, getting jobs done, little less emotional maybe. And my partner could be, very emotional and loving, caring, taking care of people. So they're embodying more of their feminine side. So even if it's a man-woman dynamic, the female could be embodying more of her masculine side, and the man could be, embodying more of the feminine side. So that's why I refer to them as person A and person B. Now you have to see where you resonate best with. Don't go by the masculine, feminine. You see which is your line. Is this how you're feeling, or is this how you're feeling? So that's how this goes, okay? I hope I made this clear. Now let's see what's happening in your mutual energy, Capricorn. The Magician in reverse, Chariot in reverse, and the Hanged Man. Capricorn, I don't think this weekend there's any forward movement happening. You people are still kind of a bit stuck in your own positions, because the feminine energy here is, I think, on her own mission here, after she feels that this masculine has been very, very emotionally manipulative. He's been tricking her, he's been closed off, he's not been showing his emotions correctly. He's basically made a fool out of her. I mean, that's the way the feminine is feeling, and she's, I think, kind of on her own path and her own trip here. Yeah, she wants the Wheel of Fortune to move forward, but right now I don't think she's allowing this relationship to move forward. There's a lot of blockage here. Maybe there's distance, or maybe just emotionally she's distant right now. There's still a lot of thinking and contemplation going on as to what is the next step to take. So I see both of you this weekend, at least, in the Hanged Man situation. both kind of getting, in your own corners and trying to think of whether there is any hope of this stability coming back for the two of you. There is the Wheel of Fortune here though, Capricorn, which is in the upright, so that really is, very lucky to have. That means things will start moving forward. But I guess after all this heartbreak, which has been very, very painful, I don't know what the masculine's done here, but it's kind of really broken this feminine's heart. And the masculine knows it. He is also ashamed of what he's done. He's wanting to have a restart, but the feminine is right now not in her best element. Yeah, I think once, you both heal and come out of it, there could be something new beginning, but not this weekend. I don't see anything really happening this weekend for you. Yeah, there is a bit of loss of yeah, I think the feminine energy is totally now focused on herself. She's taking care on her, her own life, her own money, maybe rewarding herself as the angels have suggested, giving herself the nurturing and loving and caring that she was maybe giving to the masculine earlier. And there is a feeling of a loss of love here, right? Because of, this masculine's behavior. Maybe they came across really harsh and rude and mean and did something which was not very nice. And the feminine is now not sure whether she wants to work together with this masculine right now or not. So I guess there is little more healing to happen right now. This weekend, I don't see anyone really moving towards each other, Capricorn. Let's see, hopefully in September things can change. Till then, heal your broken heart, I guess, and please reward yourself if you've been hurt, by your cross watcher. Please reward yourself, pamper yourself a little bit. That's all I can say. So you take care of yourself, Capricorn. Love and light. I will see you soon for your September read. Till then, namaste to all of you.